Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Pershing Elementary School in Madera, California, home of the Panthers, and just got done with another amazing day here on campus. This is my fourth time getting to come to their location, and the student assemblies during the day, we focused on leadership, right? Turning our passion into our purpose. And this means already at a young age to get the wheels turning, to start thinking about what our gifts are, our talents, our abilities, what we love to do, what kind of makes us come to life, that passion inside our hearts. And we can already start using, those skills to go and help others. And that becomes our purpose, right? Like why we're here on this earth. And it's something that I really didn't get till I was much older in life. I wish I would have already started thinking about it when I was one of these students' ages. But even one example that I share, is how a fourth grader who said that she loves to read, reading's her passion, that already as a 9-year-old, she's going to start getting bused to another school in the district every Friday to help some of the kindergarten students that are struggling with their reading and learning abilities. She's gonna try to help them improve that, right? So her passion's reading. She's already at a very, very young age starting to step into her purpose, which is to help them, hopefully get to a higher reading level, but, just give them some life lessons as well. And so this leadership theme, it really ties into what they stand for here at Pershing: respect, responsible, safe, pride. And leaders lift others up, right? That we rise by lifting others. And if we can choose that consciously each and every day, we start to make this world a little better place, right? We talk about the things that matter, what are important, the priorities, that we put people first, things second, that we see everybody as a miracle, including ourselves. And that ties into the concept of what we have on all of our hands with the lines of our hands, the letter M. I trace one of mine here. I bring this up in every program that I do. That M stands for miracle, and upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, well, then we can go be that light to someone else's heart, right? And we know that whatever we choose to do, we always know the difference between right and wrong, that we can do the right thing, even when no one's watching, even if they're watching, but we can also do it for the right reasons, right? And so it's not just about getting a paycheck or getting paid money, it's not about getting an award on the wall with your name on it or a trophy, but we do it because it's heavy on the heart. And the students really did take that to heart and started to realize that every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. That also really spun well into the evening session, the family night with the parents and students, and that's all about respect, right? The sub-theme was that we're all miracles. So of course we built on this right here, but also, we really focused on what the core of respect is, right? Not just for self, but for others, for property, for your community, and knowing that just like a candle that gets lit, right, and used to light another candle, that first candle never loses its flame, right? That when it lights the other candle, if anything, it might get stronger. And that's the same thing with acts of kindness, right? That once one is done towards someone else or a group of people, that it keeps growing and growing and growing. And to know that our young people, the pin drop moments that I saw in both the youth programs during the day and then the adult session at night, it gives me hope, to see that they're stepping into their purpose, that they really want to make a lasting impact, that they want to own their culture, and they can do that by just being themselves, but also having the courage to stand up for what's right? So thank you so much for touching my heart. It was another amazing day here at Pershing. Hope to be back again in the near future. Until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.